So this is our lab transformer. There are actually two transformers in this picture. In the background over here is a transformer that's labeled as 6 volt, 30 watt, and this is plugged into outlet. So this is getting 120 volts AC and transforming it to 6 volts. So you can see the output of this transformer is being read on this voltmeter here is 6.89 volts right now. And when I close this switch, that voltage will be applied to this coil, which is the primary coil of this transformer. So these two coils have the flux linked by all of this iron in between them. So because the core is filled with iron and all the iron goes across through the other one, that means almost all of the magnetic field lines that go through the middle of this coil are trapped in the iron and go through the second coil as well. So the primary coil here is 250 turns, and the secondary coil here is 1,000 turns. So this has a turns ratio of 4:1. So this is what's called a step-up transformer because it's going to take this 6 volts present on the input and multiply the voltage. So we should get something like 4 times the voltage on the secondary coil. So if I close the switch, I have to set this to AC volts or it's not going to read anything. So now 6.6 or 6.89 volts on the primary and 28.86 volts on the secondary. So if you divide those, you'll see the ratio is not exact because the transformer is not perfect, but almost all of the flux from this coil is linked through the second coil. And because this one has 4 times as many turns, the induced voltage is 4 times the voltage applied to the input terminals.